Wow, it feels good to be back here. This is the main event in Humble. Just reopened after about 5 months being closed due to Hurricane Harvey. And there was actually an infamous photograph that if you search around you could find of this place absolutely getting submerged, and I'm being dead serious about that. And if I can find it, I'll go ahead and put the photograph on the screen about now. And as you can see, it pretty much, the water actually went up to about, I think it pretty much covered the whole entrance itself. So I don't think anything initially survived in that building. And so, as I said, the place was closed for about 5 months. It recently reopened on January 30th of this year. And yeah, this is the first time I've been here ever since I made that vlog about 8 months ago when this place was newly opened. So I haven't been inside yet, and we're just gonna go ahead and go in. And wow, this place has dramatically changed since the last time I was here, and ever since that was before Hurricane Harvey. And yeah, so we have our billiards and restaurant area. Looks very, very new. Yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the arcade area. Now I haven't seen this game, at least not the arcade breakout of the ticket counter. I may try one. I may try it. I don't know. We'll just go ahead and go on forward. And yeah, the gravity ropes are still here. So I'll just go ahead and take a walk through. Your normal ticket games, and then of course, wow, you have Pump Prime 2. For those of you who like that game, I'll probably referring to you guys. More ticket games. Wow. $750, well, 75,000 or better wins 1,000. Yeah. Not happening, at least not on my end. Play spin and win up to 1,000 tickets. Again, not exactly easy to do, but then again, you're not surprised by that. Have some high-end ticket items here. Just take a quick look at some of them. I don't go to this place, or at least a main event, as much as I go to D&B, so yeah, I rack up more tickets there than here. But then again, I've gotten some significant items that, yes. Hey, yes. That was really weird. One of the main event employees actually came out to me. He was like, knew I was vlogging, and then he's like, yeah, but yeah, it's pretty cool. But as I was saying, looking back at some of the high level ticket stuff, I guess the one thing that I like, well, at least if I had to get something like high-end, I'd probably want to get one of these Fire 7 with Alexa, or the iPad mini. That's pretty cool, but you know, I'm nowhere close to that. So, and then I like this. The Sega Genesis Classic Game Console. No thank you. Okay, taking a look at the laser tag Arena 51. You know, Area 51, you know. And the bowling alley. Pretty nice. So yes, this place has been completely redesigned since the last time I was here back in about March. Didn't last too long in the arcade. I wasn't really going to play for a long time there. I typically don't. I did try the breakout game, and I didn't do so well. I did get through one level. That's how hard it is. But then again, I'm not surprised. If you're going to give away tickets, you're not going to make it that easy. I'll say also this. I'm going to show you right now. You see that Costco over there? That was another building that also was pretty much submerged during the hurricane. And but it reopened, I believe, earlier, maybe a month earlier. I don't know. Let me know, because I knew it had opened earlier than the main event did. That's pretty much it. This place is open. It's real nice. You should come and check it out. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.